In 1992 to 2001, there have been a recurring drought that comes after every year. This has made the pastoralists become poor. There has been many response programs since for the last 6 years, and this has never solved the problem of the pastoral communities that have been experiencing the drought. The drought has been causing low water access in some areas, shortage of water and pasture in some pastoral areas, poor market access, and then people cannot even sell their own produce. We wanted at least a long-term development approach that can be done by many actors, can be non-government organizations, embassies, and the government effort, so that they can get a long-term solution.